Do. Oh, hi there, guys. I didn't see you standing there. So, anyways, well, since you're here, let's talk a little bit about agents of socialization. So, yesterday we left off with the whole like sociobiological approach or nature versus nurture and all that stuff. Today we're going to look at the agents of socialization and kind of like those parts of our society, our culture. Is my hat off a little bit? There we go. Is that better? Those parts of our culture that help to kind of influence and spread what's accepted behaviors and all that. So, obviously, the largest and most influential socializing agent is the family. We spend our time, your parents, everybody, those that are around you and your family are the ones that help to raise you. Schools, when you think about it, once they became compulsory, think about how much time we spend as children at schools, from the age of 5 until 18. Just about every week you spend more time at school than anywhere else, right? So, so that is obviously big. You think about kindergarten, like everything they teach you in kindergarten is just pretty much how to behave and treat each other and all that stuff. So our religion influences us throughout all of human history. Every single group of people have had a religion. Now, it doesn't mean that every single person follows a religion, but every society has had their own forms of like what the afterlife is and some type of higher power. Peers, especially for you guys nowadays at your age, your peers begin to be the just largest influencing factor at these points in your life. When you get to be old like me, the workplace and what you do for a living and those people that you hang out with normally begin to share very similar beliefs and behaviors. And then also, you can't deny the importance of the mass media and how much influence social media and all of our avenues of getting information and how we get them and those people who are in control of them, how they influence us as well. So, with that being said, those are all the agents of socialization. And I guess we might as well go down because we're only at like 3 minutes. Let's just get done with this one. And then finally, we go through certain stages in our life. There are biological stages like birth, death, puberty, for women, menopause. Those are biological stages that everybody across the world goes through, right? We all share those biological stages. Then we have social stages, which are dependent upon what culture you're from, right? In our country, you think about 16 is big because we get to drive at 16, right? And 18 is when we become an adult, right? 21 is when we get to drink. But if you go to like Canada, 19 is the age to drink in Canada, right? And, other social stages of like religious stages, confirmation, bar mitzvahs, all those things are all social stages that culture is put on as important milestones in our lives, right? Primary socialization is just learning human characteristics and behavior and developing a sense of self. And then finally, role taking is the same idea of anticipating what others expect and act accordingly. So me as a teacher, I have to think about like, oh, you guys as students expect certain behaviors out of me. Not that I do that a lot, but so anyways, as a teacher, I have to act and behave in a certain way. That's my role, all right? That's what I take on, right? Because those are my expectations that society puts on me. So those are the things. There's a quiz up at Google Classroom. Take care of it. Love ya. Happy April Fool's Day. You do got to do it. Sorry, it sucks. I'm not very good at April Fools. Other than that, love you. Miss you guys. Peace.